At IES, we built a team with vast experience in the field of audiovisual systems in which we designed and completed projects for clients such as Entergy, Ochsner, and Tulane University. We use a range of technologies to provide solutions for clients of any size. From a sales perspective, our people engage with our customers to learn about their needs and how we can use the products of our vendor partners like Christie Digital, JBL, Crestron, and Extron in determining the system for spaces such as huddle rooms, conference rooms, or mission-critical operation centers. We have a full-time staff and are able to produce system designs. We provide 3D renderings so clients can see how technology can impact a space. Our operations team, consisting of technicians and control system programmers, utilize their specialized talents to contribute to the overall success of the audiovisual installation. Systems, no matter how complex, from time to time may encounter the need for repairs and minor upgrades. Whether it's a service call or one of our many support contracts, our service team strives to minimize our clients' downtime and restore their system to operational status. Audiovisual systems are used in markets such as healthcare, education, corporate, mission critical, and entertainment. Because of the wide variety of projects we completed, we're able to offer a broad spectrum of solutions for our clients.